Welcome, in front of me is a REALME GT 60, and today I will show you how we can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on here you're looking for Do Not Disturb toggle. For me it is on the second page right over here. So once you see it, you can simply hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. Now there isn't very many options in here though, but you can still, for instance, set up your schedule in here. Once you've gone through this and customized it, you can then find the toggle once more, and now all you need to do is tap on it. You also have this pop-up the first time around. It does let you know what it will do. You can check the box, which I believe would be unchecked by default, although this is showing up, this is the default state, so in any case it's just kind of gonna show up once. So once you turn on your Do Not Disturb mode, this pop-up shouldn't be showing up again. And once you're done using your Do Not Disturb mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle and tapping on it once more. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.